This is iTris TV. I'm Valery Prushinsky, and today we will talk about future generations of foldable phones. How soon we can expect triple foldable and multi-foldable smartphones. It seems like if the body of the phone will be split into the three parts and then placed one upon another, the smartphone will be too thick. What was proposed by inventors for resolving of this problem? We will discover it from the fresh patent application filed by Samsung. While thinking about this problem, inventors focused on foldable smartphones, Z Fold and Z Flip. Here is what they have proposed in one of their patent applications. As you can see on this picture, here they proposed instead of folding the phone in half to design foldable left and foldable right parts of the smartphone. In this case, optical module consisting of 4 cameras is placed on the left side, and if the phone is fully open, when users take frontal photo, they can see huge preview and all details of the picture. Except it, as we can see on this picture, inventors thought that it would be more convenient to use this triple folding phone for taking frontal photos by bending the right part of the phone outward or towards the user. Here we can note that of course it is possible to design 2 hinges of the smartphone, but to make display capable to fold in and out 200 times is not so easy. Look at this picture. When right side is folding in, display in this area is compressed, and when the right side is out folded, the same part of the display is tremendously stretched. But in case of vertical design and double horizontal bending, when the phone is split into 3 parts, inventors gain an advantage. Now the smartphone does not require separate selfie camera. Look here. In vertical position of the phone, one can simply bend down the top part so that the camera module consisting of 4 cameras will be directed on your favorite face, and it would be possible to take selfies with super high quality. It is so cool because current flagship models are already equipped by 100 megapixel camera. And in case of vertical bending design, there is a problem when the phone is split into 3 parts. In compact state, the phone can be thick because all 3 parts of the body are laying one upon another. How inventors are going to solve this problem? However, this design has own advantages. Look, in this case, in one place display is folded inside, in another place it is folded outside. So inventors resolved the contradiction in space. In one spot display is stretched and in another spot it is compressed. And this is much better for health and longevity of the flexible display. And from this patent picture we can see how inventors attacked the problem of the thickness of this tri-folded phone. Look, the body under display is designed not straight but inclined, so that in folded state it will take less space and will be thinner. Except it, due to this, in-folded display can be bent around much larger radius and its lifetime will be much longer. I think that many users hope that foldable phones will evolve from 2-folded to triple-folded, and it looks like perfect way because according to the patterns of evolution developed in trees, they should evolve from single fold to double fold, triple fold, and then finally to fully flexible displays. Don't forget that display industry went to manufacturing of reliable single fold display almost decade, and let's hope that it will take less time to produce displays with 2 or more folds. Also, as you noticed, inventors ought to resolve contradiction of thickness, so that in fold state the smartphone will be thinner and in compact state it will stay comfortably in user's pocket. And if you like our videos, like and subscribe. Thank you for learning trees with iTrees TV. See you next time.